Hey everyone, welcome back here in this video. Actually, this is very informative video and I'm going to provide you some free resources that will be very beneficial for you, and trust me, you should watch till last. So here we all know placement seasons are going on, and everyone since we are fresher, everyone is in panic mode. Where to start, what website should I visit, what should we do, what internship should I get, company will come in college or not, do I have to apply off campus, I don't want any career break. So lot of confusions, lot of questions is going on, lot of questions are there. So what should we do, like where should we start, what should be our approach? So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button. And if you are with us like from a very beginning, then do share this video guys as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. So buddies, like we all are freshers and we did lot of internship, like one or two or three, as many internship as we can we did. Suppose we did everything and we know some skill set, we have some skill set, everybody have. And let's say interviewer asks me that what do you know, I say I know Java. Suppose somebody say I know Python, somebody say JavaScript. Like different people have different skill set, right? So if interviewer ask you, how do you know that you know this particular language, did you give some exams, did there anyone who is validating your knowledge, how did you validate your skills that yeah, I know this? Is there anyone that validate that yes, this person is knowing everything, this person know Java, this person know JavaScript and C sharp? Is anybody there for you to validate your skills, your knowledge? No, right? So whatever the question, whatever the skill set that we tell to the interviewer, he became the judge. Like, oh, what? Oh, right. Like, you know Java, right? I will ask you some questions. Some of the question that will be fresh out of my mind, I will ask you. And if you tell me the answer, then I will trust you that you know Java. And if you suppose you know everything, but that particular question that he asked you, uh, you in like in very nervousness, in that particular moment you are nervous and you are unable to give the answer, so he will instantly judge that you don't know anything, you whatever you write in your resume was totally fake. So is there anyone apart from your interviewer, is there anyone that will validate you out of like judging by seeing your personality, by seeing your expression, facial expression? Out of all these aspects, is there anyone who will only truly judge based on your skills, not your like expression or like the way you speak, not on that parameter? So there should be anyone, right, who validate your skills. So I will be telling you about one or two things that you should particularly you should be focusing on. Like here, first thing that if you are in your second year, if you are in your first year, that you should start. And if you want to like go in the IT field, if you want to start coding, if you love it, if you know how to solve the problem, and if you are interested in it, so you should going towards the things that will be beneficial for you in a future period of time. So I will be telling you one website in which the companies like Infosys will teach you, Infosys will take your exams, and Infosys will give you certificate for free, and you can use that certificate anywhere you want. You can show it to anybody, you can post it on LinkedIn, like, and you can apply internship from there also. So will it be beneficial for you guys, right? It will be beneficial for you. So here you can go to the Chrome. Here I am already on my Chrome. This is my notepad actually. So here go and write like simply Infosys Springboard. Type type this word, type this keyword, and whatever the URL you will get, the first URL you have just, you should go and log in. See here, here I am writing. Here I already wrote like see Springboard, not Infosys Springboard, right? I clicked. This is the link. This is the link, Infosys Springboard login. Here you can see digital literacy program launched as a part of Infosys ESG Tech for good character charter. It aims to enable student and associate, whatever the all these description it is written here. So when you click on that link, when you click on this particular link, you will go to a login page. Then you should click on, like let me click here. There will be a login page and you should click on the, oh it open automatically, sorry guys, I already logged in. So you will tap on continue with Google. You do not have to like write, create ID, create, but you just continue with Google and fill all the basic detail like your name, your last name. You don't need to put your phone number. You don't need to put your like you already log in with your Google, right? So you don't need to. It will ask for your phone number. Just ignore it. Or if you want, you can give. It will ask for your college, but that section is not mandatory, so you can also ignore it. And if you want, you can give. And all those things like your city, your college address, and if your college name is not there, you will you should write others and then write your college name. So these are the basic thing that it will ask. Then next, click on next, and then some setup will come, like some setup like color selection, like all these things. Wait, like this, like this. So it will come. So you have to select font size, theme, all those things. Like if I click on all settings, this page will gonna pop up, this page. So if you want, you can choose from all those things. So if you don't want, you just keep it as default setting. So now here Springboard website open, and now what we are going to do is here, if you look at the UI, just see here, this is the home page, this is the navigator, and here you can apply for internship. If I click here and see here, till like now there is no any internship from Infosys, then when it will be there, it will pop up here. So you should check here, the your playground is there. You can write your code here directly. This is like online ID. You do not have to install ID. Here this is also the playground where you can write your code. Here this is your goal. You can set it. And here all those things like blogs, and you can read the blogs and you can make your own playlist. So here see a lot of things is going on here. So we do not have to uh, this do not matter for us. So this is your profile. Here you can log out or fill all the details whatever you left, and here you can earn some badges from the Infosys directly. So see here, if you like, if you complete 25 quiz, you will get this badge, ace badge. If you complete 25 courses, then you will get champion. If you complete 100 quiz, you will get genie badge. 1000 quiz wizard, and 250 quiz wizard. And if you complete 100 course, you will get sensei. And then there is a 10 course knight, and then management Jedi become a force of management by completing the, wait, let me scroll it. I'm unable to scroll it. Let me click HBP course right here. Registering on Wingspan. Here if I complete my profile, I will get this badge. And here if I complete my first quiz, see duelist. So these are all the badges that you will get. Here your all the assessment that you gave, that you give some period of time later, Here all the assessment will come here. Here the certifications that you did. If you pass, it will also pop up here. If you fail, it will also pop up here. So no worries, you can give certification after 15 days. If you fail in particular certification, you can give it again completely for free. And whatever the course you want to learn, like what do you want to learn? Suppose if I'm interested in HTML, so just I will write HTML here. See the latest version of HTML, HTML5 is there. So I can continue with all these courses, like this is 4 hour 9 minute, 4 hour 39 minute. So there are a lot of courses you can continue from here. See here, this is of beginner level, this is of intermediate. Here a lot of courses and advanced are also there. So if I click here, this is my start. Here we can start the courses. Here it is free. It is also already mentioned that this courses will be free, and you can complete your certification from here. And how I will tell you, first you will start your course, then this is the UI. So here this is your course. You can play this video and you can learn. And here all those sections is there, and at last there is a assessment of 1 hour. This assessment you'll have to complete this if you want to if you want to clear this course. So when you complete this 9 minute 14-second section, there will be a blue tick come here. Whatever the course section module you complete, the blue tick will be pop-upping, like here at where the time is written, the blue tick will be like in WhatsApp. So at last you will give the assessment, and if you pass with like 60%, you have to score 60% in it. Then see here the total 10 question will be there. 99 attempts. Infosys will give you 99 attempts for passing this exam. So cutoff, see here 60% is the passing marks. So if you complete this, then voila, this course will be completed, and your certification will pop up here at this part, that you have successfully completed this particular courses. And whatever the course you will click, it will pop up here in this workspace, right? You can follow Infosys from here. So this will be a very grateful resource to you guys. If you want to apply for internship, if it is there, you can apply for internship from here, and you can do certifications also. And right, you will know a lot of things. Like if you want to learn Python, you will just click on Python, and here see the Python you can start 57 minute 44 second. Here lots of courses is there for Python. You will choose according to you. Start from beginner, then intermediate, then advanced. There are lots of course. Like if you talk about beginner Python, there are lot of beginner Python courses in this website. So you can try it out. You should try it out first. And then if you ask me about internship, you can apply it from here. And also internshala will be great for you guys. And you can also like learn so much thing from internshala. There is a particular section in internshala where you can learn things, learn new skills, right? If you check, you will find. And not an internshala only, LinkedIn is also the best way to learn. Suppose if I open my LinkedIn, like see if I open my LinkedIn, there is a particular section. If you want to learn something, if you want to learn something, then you can go and learn directly, guys. There is a section. It is suppose if I click here, see here, see this skill section, right? You can take a skill quiz. Like I completed this one, like Amazon Web Service, and this one I completed. You can also complete this, and if you fail, don't worry. If you fail, it will not pop up that you failed in this exam. Nothing will be public. If you pass, it will be public. But if you fail, no worries. And it will also suggest you like suggest you to learn from. It will also suggest you the name of courses that you already gave exam and failed in it. So it will suggest you that particular course. So some courses are paid, some are free. You can opt according to you. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, and just subscribe it, guys. A lot of you friends are generally come and watch videos, but generally you don't like subscribe and share also. Guys, if you need any improvement, I will open for the discussion. I will improve according to you guys. Actually, I'm sitting here for you guys only. So this is my passion, so I can make changes according to you. So this is your platform, right? So you can tell me whatever you want, whatever topics you want to be discussed on, and in which language, like Hindi, English. Like if you want me to repeat it, I will make another one, and I will delete that particular video and make another one. So let's learn together, right? Here in this channel I am also learning. I am also learning with you guys only. So whatever I know, whatever the things that I think that this is important for me also, this will help for me. I discuss it with you guys on this channel is the medium so that I can communicate with you and discuss a lot of thing. And lot of thing I also don't know. Actually, I don't know a lot of thing. So you can also tell me that, you can correct me, and we will discuss something. Like it will be like a debate, a good vibe debate. So yeah, it will be great. So right, let's like and subscribe the channel, and do share this video, guys. And total 70 subscriber is there, and I hope you guys will help me to make 100 subscriber. Till now I don't have very big hopes. Like I'm happy with if I have a viewer, like if you guys come see watch the videos and go, it will also don't make any it will also don't like make me sad. It is good. Like I am very happy that I have so much viewer on this particular channel. But if we talk about subscriber, only 70s are there. So it will be great if you like at least make it 100. So we'll meet in another video, right? Happy learning, guys.